Good morning, students. So in the last class, we have discussed the VI characteristics of PN junction diode under forward bias and under reverse bias. So in forward bias, we notice that from the graph it shows that in forward bias the current is going to flow in one direction. Current flows in one direction in forward bias. That means it conducts there. It conducts. Whereas in reverse bias, because of due to a very small current, okay. So that current is mainly because of due to the flow of minority charge carriers from either side of the regions. Okay. Now there we have seen that there is no flow of current is there. Okay. So at one particular voltage, the current is going to be increased suddenly in reverse bias. Okay. Whereas in forward bias, the current is increasing with voltage exponentially. Exponentially, the current is increasing. So this shows that in a PN junction diode, okay, the current flows in one direction in case of forward bias. In case of forward bias. So this property, okay, which is used to rectify the alternating current or alternating voltage. So this property of the which property, where we have observed that in PN junction diode, the current is flowing in one direction, okay, in forward bias. So for this property only is used to rectify the alternating voltage. Okay. Now let us we know that what is this rectify? What is this rectification? Okay. Rectification. So rectification is a process which converts the alternating voltage into the direct voltage, or you can say it is a process which converts the alternating current into a pulsating DC. Is called the rectification. Okay. Rectification, the process of converting the alternating current into the pulsating direct current is called rectification. Okay. Now, so to convert this alternating current into pulsating DC current, okay, we are using a device. That the device name is called as, that is a rectifier. Okay, rectifier. So rectifier, a device which converts the alternating current into direct current, is called a rectifier. A device which converts alternating current into direct current is called rectifier. Okay. So now there are two types of rectifier here. Types of rectifier. The one is half wave rectifier, half wave rectifier, HWR is half wave rectifier. Okay. Now other one is, there is full wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. So as this very important topic. Among these two rectifiers, the one question they might ask you in the exam. Okay. Half rectifier, full rectifier for 5 minutes. Okay. They might ask you like this: define rectifier and explain the construction and working of half rectifier, or define the rectification, explain the construction and working of full wave rectifier. Okay. So you should know the definition of rectification, what is rectifier and what is rectification, types of rectifier. Name the two types of rectifier. One is half rectifier, the other one is full wave rectifier. So rectifier का मतलब क्या है? एक ऐसा डिवाइस जो एक अल्टरनेटिंग करंट को डायरेक्ट करंट में कन्वर्ट कर सकता है, उस डिवाइस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेक्टिफायर बोलते हैं. उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेक्टिफिकेशन. ओके. सो दिस रेक्टिफिकेशन which works on the basis of the which property, that is we have seen in the forward bias. Okay, where the current flows in only one direction. Okay, so let us discuss the first, that is half wave rectifier. Okay, later we will discuss the full wave rectifier. Okay, so the first one is, that is half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. Okay. So what is this half wave rectifier? As you know the rectifier definition, let us know the half wave rectifier. Rectifier which converts 1/2 cycle of the AC input voltage into direct voltage or direct current is called the half wave rectifier. Okay. Another definition: rectifier which converts 1/2 cycle of AC input into the direct, there is direct current, AC to DC. Okay. Is called the half wave rectifier, which converts only 1/2 cycle of the AC input. Okay. Now here I draw the construction of this construction. Okay, the circuit diagram of this half wave rectifier. Okay. Here the AC voltage is applied to the primary of the transformer, and the diode, the one diode, the PN junction diode or the semiconductor diode, is being connected in the secondary of the transformer with the load resistor. Okay. So I'll draw the diagram here. Here we are having the AC input. voltage transformer. This is primary transformer and this is secondary transformer. Okay. Now let us discuss how it works here. The working of the half wave rectifier. Okay. So here let me explain you the construction of this half wave rectifier. Here the primary of the transformer is being connected to the AC input. Okay. And here the secondary of the transformer is being connected to the PN junction diode. This P and this N. PN junction diode, or also it is called as a semiconductor diode. And through this load resistor we will get the output here. So what are the output we are getting here? Here we are getting the, I'll draw that diagram here. This is load resistor. Through this we will get the output here. यहाँ पे हमें DC output मिलेगा. There we are giving the AC input and we are getting the DC output. This process is called as rectification, and that device is called as a rectifier, which is converting from AC into DC. Okay. Now let me explain that the first, what is this AC input here? What is this AC? That is alternating current or alternating voltage. Okay. So alternating, where the voltage is varying with the time, like this. This is called as AC, alternating current, or also we can call it as alternating voltage. ये इसका सिंबल है. ओके. अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज मतलब क्या, जहाँ पे टाइम के साथ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट बोलते हैं, अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज बोलते हैं. ओके. सो अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज मींस वेयर द वोल्टेज इज वेरिंग विद द टाइम. Voltage is varying with the time. So it is increasing and it is reaching to maximum. Again it is decreasing and again it is coming down, up and down. So this wave is called as sine wave. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sine. DC means where we get only the one direction only, like this. This is called as DC. Okay. So we are getting only one half of cycle only here. Okay. So other half we are not getting the output here. So this is called as DC and it is called as AC. So like that we are converting. Same AC, same DC we convert. Okay. So now I'll explain you that how it works here. So here, which type of input we are giving here? AC input. Okay. So now this is working. Okay. When the voltage at A is positive. Okay. Voltage at A is positive. Then it is forward bias. It is forward bias. We are using only one diode here. We are using only one diode. Okay. So during this, when it is forward bias, then it conducts. It conducts. Now when the voltage at A is negative, then it is what? Reverse bias. It is reverse bias. And in reverse bias, it does not conduct. That is, it does not conduct. First of all, you remember these points. Okay, and I'll explain you how it conducts and how it does not conduct. So I am giving an input here. Right. So this is our input. Okay. This time and it is say here AC input is AC input or voltage DC voltage here. Okay, so this is input here. ये हमारा input है यहाँ पे. This is what our input we are giving. Okay, and we should get the output as a direct current. Okay, so ये हमारा input है. It is our input. Now here the output will get. Now during when the voltage at A is positive, that means when this P region is connected to the positive terminal and N is connected to the negative terminal, it becomes forward bias. There it conducts. We have seen in the graph from yesterday's class. At one certain value, the voltage at some certain value of voltage, the current is remaining constant. After that, when we increase that voltage, after that certain value of voltage, the current is exponentially increasing. When it is increasing means it is conducting. So here it is conducting. So हमारा जो output है during, what is our definition of a rectifier? Rectifier which converts half cycle of the AC input into DC. So one half of the AC input will get here like this. Okay, understood? Now during this second half, during the half cycle of the AC input, here it is becoming forward bias. Okay, and for the next half cycle it is becoming reverse bias. So it does not conduct. So that's why for this half cycle of the AC input we are not getting the output. Okay, for this half cycle we are not getting the output here. Okay, once I am repeating here, during half cycle of the AC input it is becoming forward bias. So hence it conducts. Hence we get the output here. For during next half cycle, okay, this is a complete cycle with one crest and with one trough. Okay, so for complete cycle, उसमें हमें क्या मिला, एक half cycle output मिला हमारा. Rectifier, half wave rectifier means the name itself is telling half wave rectifier. It is full wave, complete इसे क्या बोलते हैं? यहाँ तक हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Full wave बोलते हैं. Okay, so this is half wave rectifier only. Rectifier which converts half cycle of the AC input. Half cycle of the AC input is converting into pulsating DC. So for the next half cycle, here it is becoming reverse bias, and hence it does not conduct, and hence we will not get the output. So for this we are not getting the output. For next half cycle, again it is becoming forward bias, and hence it conducts, and hence the output will come. Now for this we are getting like this. Okay, for next half cycle, again it is becoming reverse bias, and hence it does not, sorry यहाँ पे लिखना does not